Craving a burst of fresh flavors? Welcome to Vegan Spring Roll Bowls, a delectable remix of traditional Vietnamese spring rolls brimming with vibrant veggies and tempting tofu. Picture this: crisp vegetables like shredded carrots, cucumber, and cabbage, each lending a splash of color and a wealth of nutrients. Add protein-rich tofu, and you have a fulfilling, wholesome meal for any occasion. The charm of these bowls lies in their adaptability. Tailor them to your liking with a variety of additions. Think avocado or edamame beans. Preparing them is a breeze. Mix the ingredients, add a zesty soy sauce dressing, and there you have it. A healthy, tasty meal at your fingertips. But the appeal of vegan spring roll bowls extends beyond their taste. By embracing a veggie-rich diet, you're fueling your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall well-being. These nutrient-dense ingredients can bolster your immune system, promote healthy digestion, and even impart a radiant glow to your skin. Moreover, choosing plant-based meals like these bowls can positively impact both the environment and animal welfare. Lowering your intake of animal products contributes to a more sustainable food system, fostering kindness towards all creatures. So how about trying vegan spring roll bowls? They're not just nutritious and delicious, but also simple to prepare and eco-friendly. Stay tuned to our channel for more succulent recipes and health tips as we embark on a journey to vibrant health and happiness together.